What is going up, guys? Your boy Epic Viper 13. So today we're gonna do the unboxing video here on my YouTube channel, but you're gonna probably see it also on my TikTok. But nevertheless, guys, here it is. I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the basically white edition. Oh, wrong way. This one here. I got the 512 gigabytes, and yeah, pretty cool. This year it's a 6.9 inches, so it's like couple point something bigger than the previous one. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max right now. I didn't really get the 15 because it wasn't a big difference. The 16, I guess. So this is a 16 Pro Max. So we're gonna be unboxing it right now. I also have my Google Pixel Pro 9 XL, and I have my Galaxy S24 Ultra. All these phones are like the top of the line devices. And I probably gonna make a video where I can test like pretty much like the cameras and everything like that. So if you guys want to watch that, hit the like button. I'm gonna be doing a lot more content on this video. Cinematic mode on this one is pretty cool, so I think I'm gonna be doing a lot of cinematic videos like with car content. So if you guys want to do that too, make sure to follow my channel and like it, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of more cinematic videos on my Hellcat. You know, I haven't really done a lot of YouTube videos. I've been busy like at work, but I just want to keep doing cinematic videos. So here we go. Let's open an unboxing video. All right, guys. So here is the iPhone S24. The iPhone 16 Pro Max in the white edition, as you can see. All right, let's get to open it. So we're gonna open it from the top. There we go. Can you hear that? There we go. There we go. Look at that. Amazing. Pretty cool. What we have in the box, I guess they removed like the stickers now. Only thing you have in the box is this, which has like 3 papers, and that's it. Nothing else in there. And just the cable, which is like the braided one. Type C, of course, on both sides. Nothing else there. I guess next year, maybe when the iPhone 17 comes out, they're going to take this off because they think they already have this. So it's just going to be like this. Just a phone in there. So, you know, that's what we're in now. So I guess. And they don't even have a, they don't even have a, like a SIM ejector, of course, because this is eSIM. So as you can see, this is the edges. They look pretty nice, like stainless steel. This is the button, of course, from last year. This is the white silver color. Amazing color. This color is hard to get now. It's back ordered probably till next month if you want to get this color specifically. But I never had this color. The last white iPhone that I had was the iPhone 4S. And pretty much after that, I got the gold. And then the newer colors like the blue on the 12 Pro Max. And then the green on the 11 Pro Max. Pretty much. And this is the new button, of course. The new button for the iPhone 16 where you can move the camera stuff. And this is the power button, of course. And on the bottom, of course, is the Type C. This is my first iPhone with the Type C because I come from the 14 Pro Max. So let's open it like that. Whoa, satisfying. Let's turn it on. There you go. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see videos on the cameras, like, this is the top of the line iPhone, of course. And then I have the S24 Ultra, of course. And I have the Google Pixel. So if you guys want to see like photo comparison, video comparison, just let me know. As you can see, the screen is amazing. As you can see, the bezels are like here compared to the 15 Pro Max. Do you have one? So my brother has the 15 Pro Max. So this is the 15 Pro Max, of course. He has the, I forgot what's the color called. I forgot. But it's like the grayish color. So as you can see, the 15 Pro Max, this is the side comparison. So like it's bigger. This one is 6.9, this one is 6.7, and then the edges, this has bigger vessels. This one has thinner vessels. So that's pretty cool. But it's not the big difference. So if you guys want to get the Pro Max, or you don't want to get the Pro Max anymore because it's big, I don't think it's bigger than the previous year. I think it's pretty good. I like bigger phones because I like to see like videos, play games on here. So when I play Call of Duty, you see you have more like screen here. So yeah, I was gonna get the Pro, but I mean it's still small. For my hands are pretty cool. Like I like this size. So I always get the bigger phones, like I said. S24 Ultra. But other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video unboxing. I'm going to be doing more test videos with this phone and do cinematic on my Hellcat. So I'm going to do a lot of cinematic videos with this. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Your boy Epic Viper signing out. Peace.